Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, we are still buzzing, but this time with some wacky news. An Italian athlete ended up in last place in his 400-meter race at the 2022 World Athletics U20 Championships after making the rash decision to go commando and having to run with his genitals falling out of his loose-fitting shorts. Now, the decathlete, Alberto Nonino, started off promisingly and went past two rivals in spectacular style on the last bend, all right?
However, in the final straight, interesting, he slowed down noticeably and was filmed grabbing his private parts up to 6 times as his competitors went past him, and he finished at the back of the pack. Now, the 18-year-old's problems down below were immediately cited as the reason for his slowdown. What, officer? I don't know, officer.
I don't know where to go with it.
All right. So make we talk real now.
We talk technical.
No, make we talk real. If you're not having nothing, see, and you have low shots, what the difference? What the difference if it's out the door or not? I don't understand why him come last. Is a reason him look for come last. Cause to me, I don't understand the difference. Cause the same thing. Well, in my experience, the same thing what I do. Out of the shots are the same thing. Cause the shots don't really make a difference. Them shots, they don't really make a difference.
I'm gonna
So I don't know reason. I better you take the embarrassment and win than take the embarrassment.
No, okay, let me speak as the person without anywho, when you are running, right, and you're running, won't there be some like
pain?
Pressure added and constant knocking
pain, yeah,
and squeezing of the
pain, right? So you have to deal with that. So me, all right, so that's what I say.
Did it drop out?
No, I don't know nothing about it. However, as I said, speaking from personal experience, right? That pain there is regardless of...
You get it either way?
Yeah.
Maybe it just got more painful as he progressed. He started off going, yeah, and he's like, ah.
And them said them have footage of him grabbing himself, right? Then if you hold on to it, then you don't run same way, man.
True, just hold that run.
So I don't understand why that make him come last.
Can you...
Demonstrate? No.
Maybe he can't.
The producer say you need arms. You need your arms to run.
Apparently, you need the arms for momentum. And
yeah, but using your arms and not using the arms not gonna make you come last or win. So in other words, him never really did have a big chance anyway.
Right.
So him just look something for blame it upon.
But
then blame it upon him best friend. If you're going to blame it upon someone.
I am hot, this conversation. Listen, I just want to say, though, let me be good here. It is imperative that when you are doing sports, even dance, you wear what we call cupping stuff, right? Even when you're running to ensure that
in this day and age,
your package is looked after.
A planning planet, man. Him they just want to show some people him things, man. All right. You can't, first of all, if you're at this level.
Will you stop?
No, but if you're at this level,
it's
not the first time. It can't be the first time.
Why did you decide to go commando?
No, it cannot be the first time. It must be something him do all the time.
Maybe, but this time it...
That's why you rehearse, so that when you're performing, you can perform properly. I don't know if you've never rehearsed it. Anyway, so in a Facebook post that has since been deleted, a Chick-fil-A location in Henderson, North Carolina advertised for people to work in the drive-thru, offering to pay them 5 free entree meals for every shift that they worked. Now, the program ended after 1 day. The North Carolina store said that it was not a full-time or part-time job and was advertised to people who might think that it's a good fit for them.
So the store wrote a separate Facebook post in response to the online backlash for trying to pay their volunteers with chicken instead of money. It said, "We've had multiple people sign up and enjoy doing and have done it multiple times. People who sign up for this choice, they choose it voluntarily and added in another social media post that the payment idea was for customers of the location to earn free food to simply traffic direct other guests. So, Craig, would you work for food? I feel like we do work for food. Just not literally, but I feel like all of we work for food.
I don't know. I don't know. Maybe. Depends. I think companies like this have to be careful what they're doing just because of public backlash that might happen. But I don't really see nothing that wrong with the whole concept. I think that everything is based on value. If you have a, I mean, exactly, it's based on value. So depending on the value of each meal, and if you have to find 5 meals to carry home to your family every end of day, it depends. So if it is valuable to you, then by all means go and do it. I think it's only a matter of time before the world moves back to barter. People are finding it harder and harder to find money these days.
Yeah, that's how a lot of my friends live.
Yeah, but a lot of things that you have might be valuable to others, and a lot of things that they have might be valuable to you. So I think that we're going to end up moving back there.
Let's face it, I think if you have 3 master's degree and a PhD and whatever, and you're used to working at, that, whatever, this is not the job for you. Yeah. But like you said, I do think that there are some persons, homeless persons or whatever, that, 5 free meals at the end of the day is a bargain, particularly with the skill set that you have. So like you said, I don't think it's about, every job is for somebody. It may not be for you, but it's for somebody. I think it's good for everybody to have something to do. So I think somebody is grateful for that. Just like I know you guys are really grateful to come back.
Correct.
Because we're going to take a break and we'll be back with our first game with Sue Forward.